उनको वहां जाके मुजरा करना है तो भी करें कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है।
महिलाओं का मंगलसूत्र हो, कांग्रेस सब कुछ खोजने में लगेगी
कि अडानी जी कौन से टेम्पो में और कैसे पैसा भेजते हैं।
As the Lok Sabha elections 2024 concludes with the final round of polling held on June 1st, here are some of the top controversial speeches from the Lok Sabha election 2024 campaigns. A video of RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav eating fish and Rahul Gandhi and Lalu Prasad consuming mutton allegedly during the month of Sawan was splashed in a big way by the BJP. Modi said opposition parties were trying to consolidate their vote banks. In a separate speech, Prime Minister Modi also accused how the Congress could grab Mangal Sutra and distribute it.
लॉकर में रखे आपके गहने हो, महिलाओं का मंगल सूत्र हो, कांग्रेस सब कुछ खोजने में लगेगी और फिर कहती है हम इसे छीन लेंगे.
He also accused the India bloc of performing mujra for the Muslim vote bank.
इंडिया अलायंस को अपने वोट बैंक की गुलामी करनी है तो करे, उनको वहां जाके मुजरा करना है तो भी करें. मैं एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी आरक्षण के साथ डट करके खड़ा हूं, खड़ा रहूंगा, जब तक जान है लड़ता रहूंगा.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi called Prime Minister Narendra Modi a puppet king of tempo billionaires over his remarks on the Congress receiving cash loaded in tempos from Adani and Ambani.
कि अडानी जी कौन से टेम्पो में और कैसे पैसा भेजते हैं. पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है प्रधानमंत्री जी का.
Though Shehzade, two princes, have come together for the politics of appeasement, Modi said at a poll rally in Uttar Pradesh.
भाइयों बहनों, भाजपा सरकार के इन प्रयासों के बीच यूपी में एक बार फिर दो शहजादों की जोड़ी, उनकी फिल्म का शूटिंग चल रहा है आजकल.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has in his campaign speeches this time used phrases such as those with more children and infiltrators, which the opposition and many others claimed referred to the Muslim community.
और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है. इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे. घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे. क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा?
Congress spokesperson Supriya Shrinet posted a picture of actor Kangana Ranaut, the BJP's candidate from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, and wrote a derogatory caption. The post faced massive backlash for being derogatory, prompting Shrinet to remove it from all her social media accounts. Denying her involvement, she claimed it was posted by somebody who had access to her accounts. Sam Pitroda, former chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress, is no stranger to controversies. This election season, he made two back-to-back headlines with his inheritance tax and racist remarks.
We have to make sure that few people become so rich that they begin to run government. We have to make sure that's the requirement in democracy, everywhere in the world. Nothing wrong in being rich, nothing wrong in accumulating wealth, but to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government.